Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your Ray-Ban Meta videos from looking like this to looking like this, all within the Meta AI app, how to get incredible AI generated video using the footage from your Ray-Ban Metas. The possibilities for this are pretty insane. So many different ways you can change your videos and no limit on how many times you do this. And don't worry, this also applies if you have the Oakley Metas. You can do the exact same steps that I show in this video. In addition to the POV content you get from your Ray-Ban Metas, I'll also show you how to do this with any video on your phone and create AI videos completely from scratch, all for free. So prepare to learn if you don't know how to do all of this already. And if you do, hopefully you learn some tips from how to make the content look better. Because just throwing any random video in there doesn't always have the best result. So be sure to stick around to the end to see all of those tips too. But first, I woke up this morning and I had 10,200 subs. We crossed it last night. We blew past it by hundreds. I cannot even believe this. This is all thanks to you guys. There's so much that I want to say, but I'm going to save it for the dedicated video where I talk about the special surprise that comes at 10K. You're definitely not going to want to miss that video. There's actually a number of special surprises that I think you guys will really like. Thanks so much for subscribing. And without further ado, let's show you how to use the video AI. So first things first, you're either going to need to already have a Ray-Ban Meta video that you want to apply the AI effects to, or you can go out and shoot one. A lot of them work pretty well if there's some sort of subject or person in the video. So just wear your glasses and walk into some other room and wave at someone or wave to yourself in the mirror. That'll be a good test video. After you have that video, go ahead and open the Meta AI app. Make sure you're on the glasses section down here and make sure you import that video. So I'm gonna press import. If you already have it, you should see it down here in your gallery somewhere. And make sure you join the Wi-Fi. Okay, now that you have that video imported or in your Ray-Ban Meta gallery here, you're gonna tap on that video and then you're gonna tap Edit with AI. Now we have a ton of different ones to choose from. We have these featured ones all down here. We have fashion-based ones. A lot of these are gonna be changing your clothes and changing the background. You can see there's a ton. Then we have location-based ones, changing the location that you're in. Then we have weird ones like clowns being made of clay, having spaghetti hair, being a skeleton, an octopus, a Bigfoot. So many different things here. So I'll just keep scrolling through so you can see all of them. Pretty crazy options. And lastly, we have lighting based ones. So we got neon, sunset, pink. These are just changing the general vibe. Let's just go with a crazy one. So we're in the weird section and we're gonna tap jelly and then you're gonna tap generate. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, so let's just see. It's going to take not that long, honestly, maybe about 30 seconds. You can go to your home screen and do whatever you want. It'll send you like a little notification when it's done. And while it's loading, you can even scroll back up, tap on your photo, tap edit, and generate more. So let's go back to weird, and let's do the Bigfoot and generate that one as well. So that one's at 3%, and you see the last one is at 36%. So it can do multiple of these at the same time. Let's wait for it to load here. Okay, so the jelly one just loaded. Let's look at it. You guys are gonna think this is insane. What even? So clearly the AI did really well with this. You can see the mirror up there still. So very, very cool effect there. From here you can edit again, and what this just does is lets you change it to one of the other prompts, or you can share it, or you can save it. Obviously, if you like it at all, you're gonna wanna do that, and it saves it to your camera roll so that when you go to your home screen and go to your photos, you'll be able to easily find it. Okay, now let's swipe down from this and let's scroll down to the second one we generated. Oh mercy. It keeps the background the same and it just changes the character in, in this one. So that is how you do it with Ray-Ban Meta or Oakley Meta videos that you've already recorded. But what if you have another video on your phone that you want to do? Maybe record it from your phone, from your camera, whatever it is. Well, you can do that too. Just go over to the home button over here, and then you're going to press this plus button. From here, you're going to go to gallery. Now you can scroll through all your photos and find whichever video you want, or you can search it. You see, I just searched water, and here's a video of me paddleboarding. So let's tap on that. And you'll notice that if your video is longer than 10 seconds, this AI video feature is limited to 10 seconds. So you'll have to choose which 10 seconds of the video you actually want to do. I'll leave it at the beginning portion, press next. And here you have all of the same prompts, plenty to choose from. Let's go ahead and do the cyberpunk one because that one tends to always look good. And we'll tap generate. While it's loading, I'm going to generate a couple more for you to see. Okay, looks like the first one is loaded. Let's open it up. And this is the cyberpunk version of me paddleboarding on this river. Pretty cool. Still makes you look very realistic. It doesn't make you look like AI, which is really nice. Let's take a look at the second one, known as luminescent. Pretty similar vibes here. The sky is lit up with, it looks like galaxies or something. Let's go to the next one. This one is Grecian. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Basically just means from Greece. That looks amazing. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. But it looks like I'm now paddleboarding on some rocks and grass. Weird kind of raft that I've made there, but the rest of it looks really good. And it changed the lighting and everything. This honestly is really underrated, especially because it's free. It's completely free. And finally, let's look at the celestial one. So this one makes it a lot more night vibes. I'm wearing a cloak, although it appears that my paddle has disappeared from my hands, which is interesting. And it kind of looks like I'm in a cool little video game. Let me show you how you can actually generate videos just from what you say and the kind of cool things you can get from that. Because again, this is all still in the Meta AI app. So even if you don't have the glasses, you can do this one. Open the Meta AI app, go to the Home tab right here, and then you're just going to type in this little field. So you can tap it. This is my prompt. Create a video of a man and his German Shepherd dog walking away on the moon alone. When you finish your prompt, and make sure that you say create a video of at the beginning, then we're going to tap the send button and we'll wait for it to load. It's really key that you put create a video at the beginning, because if you just say a video, it'll think you're talking to it as text. And if you just say create a, it'll most likely create a picture. All right, so it's loaded, and look how fast that was. In the time that I was explaining it, it loaded this video, and it looks pretty realistic. It doesn't look super AI generated. To save this, just tap the save button down here. Here's another video I've created. Pretty cool. The prompt of that one is create a video of a Tesla exploding while a motorbike races away. Now I'm going to give you some really good tips to make the actual videos you generate, whether from your Ray-Ban Meta's, your phone, whatever it is, actually look good and not super glitchy. But first, if you want to support me at all, you can get $30 for free when you sign up for a free Rakuten account. This is just a browser extension that gives you coupons on different websites when you're shopping. So you'll be shopping and it'll be like 10% cash back, apply coupon in the top corner. You just tap it, it applies the coupon, and then when you check out of whatever store you're buying from, it'll send you 10% of the value of whatever you just bought back to you in cash completely for free. And this is a completely free extension, and for a limited time only, you get $30 for free when you sign up using that link in the description. I didn't get this when I signed up, so definitely wish I had. But that deal is going to be going away in a month or so, so make sure you do that. And then all your normal purchases that you already make, you'll be getting extra money back from, on top of any coupons that might be on that website already. So you get to double dip with your coupons, savings, and cash back basically, which is really nice. So the first tip for getting good quality video, and this is just based on things I've noticed, all of the AI video features are generally designed to either change the background and or change you and what you're wearing or what you look like. So you want to make sure it's decent lighting wherever you are. You want to make sure that you're clearly in the frame. You're not super far away in the background. Tip number 2 is if you have slower moving or more static shots, those can look really good. But if you do happen to be moving pretty fast, make sure it is in a general direction. If you're turning your head really sharply, it's going to look really glitchy most of the time until that AI video generation gets better. And number 3, this is a weird one, but keep your clothes consistent. I noticed that in 2 different frames when I had this button up over my normal shirt, then in the AI video, I had the jacket attachment of whatever AI video it was. But then in the next clip, when I just had on my t-shirt, I didn't change anything else. I just took this off. Then all of a sudden, I didn't have the jacket in the AI video, but I had the undershirt only. So it actually recognizes your clothing change. So if you want the clothing to remain constant, make sure you keep wearing the same amount of layers in each video. That's a funny little tip. And number 4, experiment with a bunch of the different AI video generation options, and you'll notice that some just work better than others most of the time. For instance, the cyberpunk one basically always looks good. The one that put me in the cloak usually looks good most of the time. The Western one looks really good. So if you notice some that are just always glitchy, it's probably not your video. It's probably just that specific prompt/option that you selected. So just focus more on the other ones that actually do a good job most of the time. So that is how to create AI generated videos using your Ray-Ban Meta glasses or your phone videos or just the thought thoughts in your head. If you enjoyed this video, learned something, make sure you play around with this a ton. Again, it's completely free. This might not be true in the future, so I would definitely use it now while it's still here. Remember to stay tuned for the 10,000 sub surprise, but just because we reached 10,000 does not mean we're stopping. I'll have a new goal soon, but first I have to make sure the logistics for that 10,000 sub video are all worked out. And hopefully you guys enjoy the number of surprises that's going to be in that video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.